Chemistry Solve MCQs. These MCQs are most frequently repeated in ETA and MDK tests, Public Service Commission and NTS based tests. Markovnikov rule is applicable to which one of the following? Reactions are given and the fourth option is applicable to all. First we will know about the Markovnikov rule. When a protonic acid is added to asymmetric alkene, the acidic hydrogen attach itself to the carbon having greater number of hydrogen, and the halide will go to that carbon having less number of hydrogen, or which mean that greater number of alkyl groups. Now from the definition it is clear that protonic acid will be added to alkene. In option A there is Br2, bromine gas is added to alkene. So the option A, it is not the correct answer. When the option A is skip out, the option D will automatically skip out because it is applicable to all, and the option A is incorrect, so it is not applicable to all. Now the competition is between these two, option B and C. When a protonic acid is added to asymmetric alkene. Now this one is symmetric alkene and this one is asymmetric alkene. So the option C is the correct answer. The gas used for artificial ripening of fruit is methane, ethane, ethene and ethine. Artificial ripening. One is known as natural ripening, another one is artificial ripening. So the unsaturated hydrocarbon like ethylene and acetylene speed up the ripening process and cause color changes in fruit to impart them ripened look. Here ethylene is produced naturally. So ethylene is used in natural ripening and it is also known as plant ripening hormone. But for artificial ripening of fruit we use acetylene gas. These both are used for ripening, ethylene and acetylene. Ethylene is used in natural ripening while the acetylene is used in artificial ripening. The question is about artificial ripening of fruit, so the answer is ethine or acetylene. How many sigma and pi bond are there in a molecule of tetracyanoethylene? 5 sigma and 9 pi, 9 sigma and 7 pi, 9 sigma and 9 pi, 5 sigma and 8 pi. For this we will look at the structure of tetracyanoethylene. This is the structure of tetracyanoethylene. This is sigma bond, sigma, 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 sigma and sigma. So there are 9 sigma bonds. In case of pi, 2 pi bond here because the first bond is sigma bond and the other two are pi bond. 2 pi bond here, 2 here, 4, 6, 8 and 9. So it is clear it has 9 sigma and 9 pi bond. What will be the total volume of a mixture when 30 ml of ethanol is added to 30 ml of water? 59 ml, 60 ml, 61 ml, 62 ml. Upon mixing 30 ml of ethanol to 30 ml of water, the net volume will be less than 60 ml. So the answer 59 ml is the correct answer. But why it is less than the 60 ml? This is because the extensive hydrogen bonding among the water molecule give empty space between the molecule. But in the presence of ethanol, some of these bonds break and thereby reduces the net volume. The ethanol molecule goes into those voids resulting in lower volume, which in simple words it means that these are miscible with each other. So the empty spaces that are created due to the water molecule hydrogen bond that breaks down and the ethanol molecule that will accommodate in these spaces. That's why the volume of a mixture is less than the sum of the individual volume, that is 30 and 30 plus 30 ml. So 59 ml is the correct answer.